going anywhere today.
Hey. Yeah? I don't want any problem this morning. I'm going to work. I don't want any problem at all. I do not have strength for trouble this morning.
You don't want any problem. You don't have strength for problem. So when you finish the food in the pot, when you know you eat where you're going to work. Eh?
What does that mean?
What does it mean?
So you're going to now question me about food? My own money in my own house? Was I not the one that brought the money for the food?
Okay.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want any problem.
You're not going anywhere.
Best international DJ.
Have you seen the DJ?
No, we never see him.
Huh?
We never see him.
Hey! Sobe, how can Sobe do this? Hey! Hey! What's going on? Sobe is not here.
It's okay. She'll soon be here, okay? Just calm down. It's okay.
When? Just look at the time. Look at the time.
Don't worry. She'll soon be here. Don't cry. You ruin your makeup.
This is what I was avoiding. I told Arinze and he promised he was going to handle her.
Don't worry. She'll soon be here. Don't cry, eh? Please, today's the day, eh? Come, let's go inside. So, don't worry. She'll soon be here.
You see what is going on outside there? I begged you to allow me get a good DJ from the city, but you said no. That girl is good enough to handle it. Look at it. Up until this moment, she is not here.
Honey, I am sorry. I also don't understand anything. Why would Sobe do this to me? I don't understand. I'm confused.
Uju, it's okay, eh? They've sent someone to call her already, eh? She'll soon be here. You know her way now.
Did I hear you say it's okay? No, tell me what is okay. That my friends are outside there, Omuna out there waiting. Today's supposed to be my happiest day. Your happiest day. Our happiest day. I don't like it. I don't get it.
Uju, what is going on? Eh? Sobe is not here yet. Mama, that is what we are talking about. I don't understand. Why would Sobe do this to me? To do of all this? Why? I just called Arinze and he did not say anything. Can you imagine? I swear, I will get Sobe arrested if she tries me.
It's okay. Mama, it's okay. They've already sent someone to call her. It's okay. She'll soon be here.
Now, let's go. There's no time.
Mama, is it not the house will come back? Let me see the house will come back. If not called you. Go and come back. You will not sleep in this house. Is it all night? Don't live here anymore. You will sleep outside today. You will not enter this house. You will sleep. Look at that.
She go play reggae and hip hop all day and night, non-stop, oh honey. And you need a good DJ, Baba Sobe. She go play reggae and hip hop all day and night, non-stop, oh everywhere go out to Baba Sobe. Sobe, Baba Sobe. Money DJ, Sobe go play, Sobe go dance, Baba Sobe. Sobe go shine, she know this, forget her balance, Baba Sobe. Best international DJ, Baba Sobe.
So let's, all of us, let's join the latest couples in town, celebrate the celebration dance. When I don't mind say because I really cash out, because the celebration are here in the start. So they won't give us the step where we don't know before. So let's join them and celebrate as the latest couples in town. DJ, please give us something there. Good for them.
Yeah,
come but once. Now, after law school now, you will call to bar. Where will you see work? But guy with Nina, in the office, in the room. What are you saying? You don't need to look for work. With Nina, you are not a big boy. You are a big boy in this profession.
See, just shut up. I had a very long day. You're making noise. Just stop talking. Alright? For work, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. Just shut up. Stop talking. I'm making noise.
Okay, no problem now. No problem. Let me see where this DJ work will lady. Let me see how she will assist you with this DJ work. Have you seen where a woman is doing DJ?
Have you forgotten your daft brain? Your daft brain didn't tell you that instrument belongs to me. Okay, I am the problem. DJ. I am the one that taught her how to do the DJ work.
No problem. Let me see now. Let me see how a barrister, 5 years, another 1 year, 6 years. After 6 years is gone, you will come out and say, I'm getting married to a DJ.
Anybody that knows Sobe should go and tell her to leave this compound. Can you imagine the embarrassment?
Listen, I don't want to have issues with you. Let's go out there and dance.
I cannot dance to that again in music again.
Come on. Were you not the one that contracted her? Were you not?
Look, don't push me to the wall. Don't make me get angry. Stop it. Today's your day. People are outside there waiting for you. You are here arguing. What is wrong with both of you? Listen. If she does not like your Guinea dance, don't worry. I'll go tell DJ to change it.
Collins, were you not there when I practically begged her to allow me to get a DJ from the city? But she refused.
Obi, please, it's okay. She will change the music. She will change it. Please, it's okay.
It's alright.
My joy is I am still with her balance. Let me see how she will get it.
Alright, you need to put a smile on your face. Let's go. Today is your day. You're supposed to be out. Smile, my friend. Carry your wife, let's go.
So then what's wrong with you now? Huh?
What have I done?
What kind of music is this?
Ogene,
Please, don't play this, whatever you call it. We don't like it.
which one do you like?
Play young lady can play this. Play hip hop, play or anything.
Mama, please, it's okay. Go and sit down. She'll change the song. She'll change it, please.
I don't have flavor. Imagine Mama at her age say playboy. There's no playboy.
There's no flavor, it's flavor.
Oh. I did not know you were here. I've been looking for you everywhere. Hi! You don't have to hide anymore. You can come out to the open now.
So, babe, what is it? Can't you see I'm discussing with my husband?
My husband. I know. You know, since I finished I finished the music, I say I should come and collect my balance.
You're stupid. In fact, you're foolish. So, after messing up my big day, with no fear of God, you still open this thing to ask for balance. Come and collect, let me see you.
I don't want that. Today's your big day. I don't want to be annoyed with you. I don't want that. Boss, talk to her. Talk to her.
So are you stupid? Are you crazy? You think I'm happy with you? Or is it how you people behave here in this village? Get out of this place. I'm talking with my wife.
The husband too? Even after I call you in-law, I'll change it for you now. I'll change it for you. Because I've already told people why I came late. I've explained to you and I've apologized. I'll change it though.
What's going on? Let's go. People are waiting for you.
That's the problem. Tell them to give me my balance. People are waiting for them.
Collins, tell this girl to get out of this place, else I will slap her.
Hey, you slap me? Yeah, would you? You slap me? My balance. Let's go. My balance.
Listen, don't worry. You've explained to me. Let me handle it. Let them go. Oh yeah, go.
If they go, you give my balance.
Don't worry. Come. Go now.
Collins, I don't want to wait for you.
Let's go. Would you? Go now. People are waiting for you. So how much is the balance?
15,000.
Yeah, have it. This is 5,000 naira. I don't have much on me again. Okay, yeah. Here's my card. Oh, my number is there. Call me, text me your account number. I will transfer the remaining balance, 10,000.
From the minute I saw you, I knew that you are the only reasonable person in this world. I knew. You see it now. You see it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's alright. I like your hustling spirit. It's good. Instead of you running after men to help you, to give you money and all these things, it's good you're hustling for yourself. But you know what you're going to do? Try and upgrade yourself. Upgrade yourself on good music, latest music, so you don't spoil people's events with your bad music. I'm not saying your music is bad, but at least you can do better.
Yes,
improve
I
yourself.
will upgrade the Ogini.
Yes. Yeah, that Ogini, I actually like it.
Thank you.
I have to.
Agaracha, what is the problem now?
Nothing is the problem.
You will know.
Sobe, finally you have arrived. After messing me up.
But I did not do anything.
You see what? Don't even talk anyhow here. If you talk anyhow here, you will see anyhow.
Sure.
Eh? Whatever money that you brought back now, you must bring it for Papa's good. Else we have problem here now.
They did not pay me. Exactly. Papa, she must comply. They did not pay me.
What are we waiting for?
Rush. I don't want any problem. 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 They did not even give me any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. They didn't tell me where I went. They did not give me any money. They said they will owe me. They will owe me. They've not paid me. They've not paid me. They've not paid me. They said they will owe me. They will owe me. They'll pay me later. Yeah, give me the equipment.
There's no more. Guys,
they did not pay me. They did not pay me.
Sobe.
Uncle, guys, you know.
They did not pay me. They are owing me. They said I should come back.
Onyeka, come. How can she must remove her shoe. Remove the shoes.
Correct. Remove it. There is nothing there. Remove it and see.
Papa, I've seen it. Papa, see
my skin. Papa, my leg.
Papa, I've seen it. I have seen it.
Bring it. My leg.
Papa, I've seen it.
It's my leg. They did not pay me.
Papa, look at it. I told you. Hey!
Hey!
Huh? Okay. All right.
Hi. I'm sorry, my dear. I'm sorry. Hi, I know how you feel, Biko. Oh, I'm sorry. That won't happen again. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Please, I'm really sorry. I'm deeply sorry. Alright. Hi. Can you imagine?
This Sobe doesn't listen. I told her, look at the kind of songs you're meant to play for this couple. You're not supposed to go play DJ work for some traditional marriage. But I gave her the contract. And I wrote down songs that she's meant to play for them. Play all these trending songs, flavor songs. But no, she went and played again a song for the couple. And she's the one complaining. That she regrets giving me the contract. This is how I lose all my customers because of Sobe. You see what I'm talking about? See the kind of girl you want to marry.
Where is your father and your brother?
What is this? Oh, you have come to collect your own beating, right?
What did you say?
Me?
What is this? You want to fight, No, you want to fight me. Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! You want to fight me? Alice! Papa, leave him! Papa, okay, if I can't get up again, No. Leave me and Alice, leave Alice. Okay. Alice, they scare you. Alice,
good for you. This is your property. I don't want to see you with my eyes. Get out of this compound. Get out! I said get out!
Whose place?
Get out!
Only me.
Get out!
Only me.
Yes. Hey. Come. With your talk of business, get out! Get out! I said get out!
I'll go with my bag.
No, hey. With your talk of business, get out!
Where will I put all
Get out! Sobe, get out!
How will I push everything?
Sobe, get out!
Oh,
get out!
Where will
Hey, get out! Get out! Leave. Sobe, I said get out.
The mixer ran.
Everything out. Sobe, I said get out.
And who threw me out of the house?
How?
He sent me away. Me and my truck of business.
I don't understand. Like he sent you out of the house?
I said, Uncle, he said, get out. It's your truck of business. Get out. I said, only me? He said, no. It's your truck of business. No space. Get out.
That's incredible. Is he retarded? Is it okay to send you out of your own house?
I still asked him. I should go and come back. He said, no. Get out. It's your truck of business.
It's okay, alright? All I know is that they will suffer. In a few months' time, I will become a barrister. And I'm going to sue them to court. I am going to charge them for unprecedented bedevilment. And I'll personally make sure they rot in jail. Read my mouth, they will rot in jail. Your wicked uncle will rot in jail.
This new crime now, you have to add it to all the ones that he has done before. This new crime.
Yes, this is molestation. This is incredulity. I will make sure I charge them for incredulity, molestation, and unprecedented bedevilment. Read my lips and rot in jail. I promise you that.
Please, Ari, add that. Get out. Add it.
All of them is involved in the crime he committed. Okay? It's okay. I understand how you feel, but right now, okay, you have to change because that man is right there waiting for us at that land. Okay? It's okay.
Get out.
It's okay.
With your truck of business. Money. Get out.
Yes. I didn't know it's this big.
Here.
From down there, down to that side.
To the end. That is why my uncle wants to kill me for this land.
Now I see. Now I see.
How much do you think I should sell it?
My dear, this land I'm seeing is worth 2 million naira. If
let me see how that will be possible. You are looking for my trouble. Sobe, so you are trying me. Arinze, you want to enter trouble. Let me see how you are going to sell this land.
Uncle, I don't want any problem more. You have sent me out of the house. This is my land. I want to sell it. I'll sell it if I want to sell it to Uncle. I don't want any trouble.
Eh? You are talking to me like that?
Yes, now she's talking to allow her to sell her land.
Uncle, you are pressing my alone now. Uncle, you know you don't have any strength. You are pressing my neck.
Alone now.
You are pressing my neck.
Leave her alone. Uncle.
He's dead though. Eh? You killed him.
Subin.
Eh?
What do we do now?
We? It's not we. It's what do you do? Hey! You should not have pushed him. You should not have pushed him.
It was just a little push now. I just pushed him small and he fell down. Weren't you there? Normally he's meant to just stand up. Nah, give one know this over there. We have to run away from this village. We just have to run.
Bah, that is a bad idea. And if you run now, they will say it's me. They will say it's me. You know you're a lawyer. It was tug of war, 2 men fighting. You defend it, it's 2 men fighting.
Why are you talking like this now? Why are you talking like this? I'm not even a court clerk here. Don't talk more of being a lawyer. I'm still studying. Please now. It's okay. Please. If you love me, this is the right time to show for it, please. You know how much I want to be a barrister. If I go to jail now, my career is ruined. Our career, our future. Please.
It's not our career. I'm a DJ. If I go to jail, music stop. I don't want to go to jail.
Now, Sube, you're a woman. If you tell them you both were dragging and he fell down, no one would talk, no one will beat you. But me, if they knew it's me, they will even kill me or even send me to jail. Please. Let me just run back to school. Just tell them. We'll just go back there and tell them you did it. Please now. Please. 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 We just go. I'll be here waiting.
Let me go and check what is happening there first. Then I come and tell you.
Okay. Go. Just go and come back. I'm here. Please. Make sure you don't come back with anyone, please. So, babe, just go. Do this for your love now. Do this for your love. I don't want to go to jail. Please. Just go. Make sure you don't come with anyone, So, babe, go there. Make sure you don't come with anyone. Please.
Hey, where are you? Hey. Stay though. You see, this is my life. Is this my life? Suffer from bed. See, this is my life now. Hey.
So what happened? Talk to me now. Have you told them you did it? Did you tell them you did it?
Stop there! Stop! Stop there! You killed my father. Yes. You killed my father. Yes, I killed him. You will die. Yes. You will die today.
Wait. Let's take her home. Before police comes.
She must go to the prison.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yes, move. Move, come.
You came to see me? How do you know I was here?
Come on. See, be serious, okay? I have not been around, I traveled. And when I came back, I decided to come to the village to come see you. Getting to your village, I saw your uncle's wife who told me what happened, that you killed your uncle. How did it happen?
Hi, bros. Hi. You're too correct. But, like you said, they've told you everything that happened now. What will I say again?
It's alright. See, listen, I am here to help you, okay? But all I need from you is to tell me the truth. How did it happen that you had to kill your uncle?
Bros, it's a long story. A story I don't want to remember. Hi. I'm a very foolish person, bros. I'm a very foolish person. I'm a foolish person. If I had even killed him now, I'll not be angry with myself. The person who killed him is enjoying with another girl outside. I'm here, suffering and taking the blame. I'm a very foolish person.
What do you mean if you had killed? How? Then if you did not kill your uncle, who did? Listen. You have to tell me the truth. My mom is the chief judge of this state. I can talk to her and she will help you out of this place. But first, you have to tell me the truth.
Bros.
I'm glad you're here today. Honestly, this is how a whole lot of people go to jail for the crime they did not commit.
Yes, ma'am. There are plenty that are there for what they did not do.
Yes. Personally, I am an advocate for innocent people. That was why I found it hard to say no when my son told me about you.
God bless you, ma'am. I think God just had a way he wanted Collins and I to meet. Because the person that I went to jail for, that I took the blame for, he did not come, he did not even come to see me. He did not care.
What a minute, Sobe. Are you referring to that guy contracted during my wedding to do DJ for us?
Yes, my ex-boyfriend in the village. He's the one.
Oh,
What's going on here?
Look who we have here.
I know her. My ex-boyfriend Arinze, I'm telling you about.
What? Ex-boyfriend? Wait a minute, are you talking about Arinze?
Yes, the same one that killed my uncle. That is his girlfriend. Excuse me, what are you talking about?
Nina, tell me it's not true.
Jesus Christ. Sobe? Wait, is that you?
My friend, keep quiet. She's not a ghost. Did you say Sobe killed her uncle?
Huh? Sobe, is that you? So this is what you're telling everybody about me, Arinze? After everything I did for you, this is what you are telling everybody? Sobe, is that you? Swear if you will not die. You are the one that pushed me. Uncle was coming. Sobe, don't sell that land. Sobe, don't sell that land. Yeah, uncle, stop pushing. Sobe. He came. Don't push Sobe. Sobe. And then they say, leave Sobe alone. You know how many? Get out. Uncle told me, because of you. You know how many get out? Uncle told me, get out with your talk of business. Sobe, get out now with your talk of business. Business, money, DJ work. Get out, no space, just talk of business. Because of you. Uncle, get mouth with your talk of business.
So you lied against this poor lady? Huh?
Arize, you know what I am capable of. I want you to tell me nothing but the truth, the whole truth. As we speak right now, the police are on their way to this place. So tell me what happened.
Please, Sobe, please. Please forgive me, mommy, please. Actually, I was the one that pushed him. I was the one, but I was only trying to...
It's not because you did not push him because of him. Uncle says, Sobe, don't sell the land. Now say, don't touch Sobe. Push. Please. After all the get out, my talk of business. So, DJ, please. Get out, Sobe.
Please.
Way back.
Please.
Do not visit me in prison.
Please. I was only protecting my studies. You can ask Nina here. That point was when we were writing our final exams. I was trying to protect my studies, please. I'm not a murderer, please. Please. You know I was trying to...
You're not trying to protect me.
I was trying to protect me. I'm the only son of my mother. I don't want to go to jail.
Me, I'm the only child. I went to jail. With Greta. With your talk of business.
Please, ma. Please, it wasn't intentional. That man was already dying. It's just a little puss. He just fainted. I saw me here.
I was not there. I mean, I was there. But it was one that pushed him.
If you want to ceremony and you know get plenty money and you need a good DJ, Baba Sobe. She go play reggae and hip hop all day and night, it don't stop. Everywhere go out to Baba Sobe.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
Stop it! Stop it!
Come on. You're not supposed to be doing this. We have workers paid to do this job. See, all you need is to be resting. You've done a lot of work at the prison.
It's nothing at all. I like to do it. I like to wash or clean with her. I don't even want to be paid because there's nothing I can do that will repay you for what you have put down.
No, Sobe. People help each other. You are not part of us. So behave like us. Okay?
No, yes, you know, there's something I told you. When it's good for me, I'll be happy.
What is that?
What is it asking you to do? It's asking me to dance again.
Collins.
Oh, she's very good. She'll get it massage. I want that to dance for me too.
Don't mind me.
Okay, the dance.
Thank God you're out. Hey.
Mama, how are you?
My daughter, because whatever my son Arinze has done to you, please forgive him. I didn't know my son Arinze can go to that extent to hurt you. Because Mama, don't let him go to jail. Because
Mama, don't need them. The matter is out of my hand now. It's out of my hand now. Hey. Your son, he left me there in jail for a crime that I went there to represent him for. He did not even come to see me. He came only once. Hey. Even you, he did not come to see me at all. For a crime that I went to represent your son for. Hey.
So Ben, how would I know the place?
Prison, that's the place.
I was thinking my son Arinze was coming to check on you from time to time. Eh? Because help me, beggar. Beggar for me.
Forgive Arinze, please.
Oh, well, Mama, listen, you know she just came back, so let's give her a little time, okay? I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her.
Hey!
But let's allow her to rest first.
Arinze.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Mama was there. Mama was there. You know how many get out? With my equipment box. Get out, so big.
Help me.
Mom. Sobe. Collins. Please. I want to beg every one of you to find it in your heart to forgive Arinze for all the lies he told against Sobe, for the way he treated her. If I had known he did all that, I wouldn't have put myself in this mess.
Oh please, that's already happened. Let's forgive him.
Honestly, I'm surprised. I'm surprised that you are doing this. That boy made me detest everything about him. What are you even saying?
Mom, Nina is right. His mother was here today. And she was crying. I don't have the mind. I will not be at peace seeing her cry like that. Besides, I have gone to jail already. Help him, Mommy. Let it be now.
Mom, please.
Mom. I don't even know what to say. But please, if there is any other punishment you can give to him, please do, instead of him going to jail. At least for the sake of his mother, my sister Nina carrying his unborn child. Now that it hasn't gotten to the public, let's find a way and keep it within ourselves. Please.
Get up. What are you doing? Nina, get up. Sobe, what kind of a person are you? Don't tell me you've forgiven him. Just like that. After all you went through. After everything.
Just for love, so I'm just a fool, suffering for love, just a fool.
Yes, I did. I'm reading the papers they gave to me. I'm trying to understand it. It's very hard.
Surprise, surprise. Guess what?
What's that?
Guess
It's not okay this time around. It's just like
she wants to study in America to study law. The visa is out.
My visa is out, yes! The one they asked me questions for that day, yes!
That's the beauty for me.
And then it's out! My visa is out!
Yes.
I tell you, I'm going to do every single money possible. Get away!
It's okay. We are family. Okay? I can't wait to see you dressed like a lawyer.
I'm having a headache. I need to get cold water. I need to sit a while.
Those are visa, those are good.
You're bothering me too much.
It's okay. I think